Check out this view. Decided to bring the Camaro up here today and did a little ride along. Show you guys the car after the restore was done. And gotta say, this is a total dream come true. It's crazy too, because I came around this bend and it's actually right here on the sign. Dreams come true. Hey, what's up guys? So I know a lot of you know I got a 67 Camaro. I just finished the restoration process. Shout out to Gordon Custom Fab for helping me line that all out. And I just wanted to do a video just about the driving experience and how much things have changed over over 50 years, you know. The story behind the car, it's a 1967 Camaro. A guy had it up in the high desert. The car needed a lot of work though. It needed the body needed to be redone. I ended up gutting the interior. All the interior had to be replaced. It's all new. I tried to leave as much of the original stuff as I could. The big selling point on the car is it is damn near impossible to find one of these that isn't a rust bucket. A lot of places you will find that are high desert. I mean, California's got a lot of rust-free cars. There's also a misconception. A lot of people think that California cars are all rust-free, and that's not the case. If you live near the beach, you'll find rust buckets. It's called the Rust Belt, if you're familiar with it. That's where I lucked out, was this actually had spent most of its life up in the high desert. There's all the key little spots on each model with the Camaro, the Chevelle, the GTO, whatever. Once this one's in the family, it stays in the family. So this one will be passed on to Harley whenever I go. You know, it's not one you get rid of unless you really have to. It doesn't have power steering. I keep going back and forth on if I want to add power steering to it or not. I kind of like it that way. It's a neat feeling being able to feel the way things were more simple, cars were simple. You could work on them yourself. Now we've got so much electronics and nonsense. It's a 302 V8, so it's not the big block, it's a small block. It's got a cam on it, so it still gets up and moves. That's all I really wanted it to do. I'm not trying to build a drag car out of it. I want it to be reliable, and I want to be able to take it out on cruises like I'm doing right now. Once again, I couldn't have done it without Gordon Custom Fabrication. I was glad to get my hands dirty on it. I learned a bunch of stuff that I didn't know, and I could not be more happy with how it turned out.